Hi there, thanks for the wait. I went to collect something just now and we're now at the Tron session. We're looking at the Tron weekly chart, and before getting into the details of Wyckoff, as usual, these sessions are not financial advice, they're for education research purpose only. However, your comments are very welcome to drive the discussions, so feel free to drop some. So, going back to the chart. Previously, we have been drawing these LPSYs, and then it has gone higher and higher. As of this moment, the price is above this pink line. This is basically the line, a resistance line drawn at this second test. So if I change it to this, you will see. So the big picture is telling us Tron seems to be getting above to a point where it starts to probably get a bit wild. The reason I say this is because it has a possibility that it goes higher to test this green line, this resistance line drawn from the close of the buying climax. That's around 32 cents. However, it doesn't has to stop there. Look at this long wick here for the buying climax. It went all the way to around 45 cents. So from here to 45 cents, it's current price all the way up to 45 cents. That's almost 68%. So it's probably just a possibility, not that it's a likely scenario. However, if we look at the time since December last year, around or close to Christmas, to where we are now, the trading range is probably between the yellow and the pink line. So I'm talking about this large section. It depends on how this week's candle is going to close. There's still almost 23 hours left. If the price closes somewhere near the pink line, I would consider the trading activities are still within these two lines. So that's the big picture. It can be crazy, or if it closes closer to the pink line, it's something just as normal for the past almost 6 months now. Not 6 months, 5 months to be exact. So if we look at the daily chart, like I said, it went above the center line of this short-term playground zone. Most of the past 5 months, it's been trading at the lower half of the box. This blue box we can take away now. That's not exactly a, that's not exactly a downward trend. It's just edging lower, and then it's bounced up from the bottom of the pink box. So right now the price seems to be retreating a little. If we look at the volumes, this one was a little bit high, but then eventually the volume dies down. So if we take a look at something here, similar volume, and then the volume dies down, basically it can stay flat somewhere around the middle for a while, or someone would push the price down to the bottom edge and then it edges up again. So that's been the narrative for Tron over the past more than 5 months. So let's see what's going to happen in the next few days, or like next week, before our next session. So that's for Tron. I'll move on to